Hi guys, so as we remember we were drawing samples details from PDF file practice number 10. So we already finished these three ones. So in this video we will try to draw these detail key. So let's start. Let's open AutoCAD and new document. So I will start drawing this key from this part as you can see mentioned place. So I want to just draw like horizontal line 76 millimeters, horizontal line 76 millimeters. If you use ortho mode it will be easier to build horizontal line. So now I want to put this line like this. After that maybe like this, yeah. After that let's drop this file here, page number 2, beginning place. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So done. We already draw this horizontal line, so we need to go up from here 14 millimeters, and then we will build this part. So first of all we need to go, I think it's 10 millimeters, let's put 11 millimeters. So we need to go down 6.5 millimeters, we need to go right 11 millimeters again, we need to go up 6.5 millimeters, we need to go left, sorry, we are going to left 8 millimeters, but in this case we need to go down 5 millimeters, and then we will go to left again 9 millimeters, because here is like total amount is 17, we already used like 8 millimeters, so it will be 9 millimeters. After that we will go up 5 millimeters, we need to go left 6 millimeters, we need to go down here 6.5 millimeters, and then we need to go left 9 millimeters. So again we need to go up 6.5 millimeters. So from this place we need to go horizontal, go like this, and then using this trick like this we will delete extra lines using trim tool, and then select this line and delete it. So as you can see here is like two fillets with radius 3 millimeters. We will use fillet tool with a radius 3 millimeter. We will select these lines, this, and then finished. So, and then as you can see we need to build this part, which is here is distance is 3 millimeters, the fillet is 3 millimeters, so we can start from the start of this fillet. So use line tool, fillet until here 7 and 6, 76 millimeters. We need to go vertical 1.4 millimeters. Here is its mentioned 1.4 millimeters, so we need to go right 76 millimeters. So finish the operation. So as you can see we already finished this part of our key. So what we will do, first of all let's build this like central line. First of all what can we do, choose line tool, and then using temporary drag point choose this point, and then we need to go horizontal, sorry, let's try again, let's do like this. We will build the line which is 7 millimeters. So from the end of this line we will build our central line like this. So let's build 50 millimeters, and then we can change the dimension later. Let's delete this construction line, let's change style of this line. How can we sorry. So let's change it a little bit later. So first of all, properties, quick properties. It's not giving us central line. No, there's no line type, so we will do it later. So what can we do is, as you can see, we need to build this part. So we need to find distance, this distance, as you can see. So how we will find? Let's build like outer side of this part, and then we will build inner side. So first of all, as you can see here, is like distance is 24 millimeters. So from radius it will be 12 millimeters for each. So let's build from here like 12 millimeters, and then we need to decrease this until here. So we will build this part, and then we can copy it using mirror tool. So here is, as you can see, this dimension is 10. So what will we do? And here this dimension is 44. So for this part it will be 21. So we need to decrease it 21 minus 21 minus 12, so it will be 9. So we will build rectangle which is 10 millimeters to horizontal line, and then press tab, and then this part will be 9. Enter. So after that, what will we do? Using line tool, we will build this line, diagonal line, and then we will continue building line with 35 millimeters. Okay, and then let's choose this rectangle and delete it, and then we will choose this part, these two lines, and then using mirror tool and selecting these parts, enter. We already finished. So we can copy this one also. I forgot it to copy it. Done. So now we will build this part of our key. So what will we do? Let's find the central point of these curved lines. So as you can see, this radius is 25.6 millimeter. So what will we do? We can use this arc tool, but here what can we do is like start and radius. Let's choose this one, start and radius is 20.56. Done. So we finished this building this one. As you can see, we can change the radius is like this dimension, so 25.6. Done. So what will we do is we need to build this part again, this part now. in this part we will do, as you can see, we need to decrease this 7.61 millimeters, so we need to build this part. So can we use this tool like offset tool? Let's choose offset tool, no, let's do it again. Done. So using offset tool we build this part. Okay, so what will we do is let's connect these two endings, and then using fillet tool, radius 3, let's choose like this. If we do like this, so as you mentioned, it's not correct, so we will undo this part. So we need to find this line, you know, where is located this line. So in this case, what will we do is so how can we find so to find these locations, what will we do? As you can see, here is this distance is 7.61 millimeters, so here is 25.6 millimeters. So let's decrease, let's minus this amount from this amount, and then we will find what can we do. So first of all, or we can just, here is, as you can see, this radius is 17.99 millimeter. So this means this means that the radius of this curved line is like 17.99 millimeters. As you can see, there is no any sign to find this center, you know. First of all, let's build one circle which with radius 70 point with radius 17.99, like this. From center of this point 17.99, this. So center mark. Okay, does it give any ideas to find? Let's trim this part. No, I think there is no need to find this way. So let's imagine that the distance from here and here is like 10 millimeters, and then we can just draw this part and you will do whatever you want. So first of all, let's build this one. We will use line tool and then temporary track point. From this part we will go like 10 millimeters. Done. Then we need to go up 24. So now not 24, using this temporary track point again. Oh, we need to go 10 millimeters. We need to go 10 millimeters. We need to go up 12 millimeters. So now we can just copy it with mirror tool. Done. Auto copy, enter. So what can we do is, as you can see here is a radius like 7. So we can just copy these two lines using copy from here. Then we need to go left 7 millimeters. So the ending of these two lines will be center of these circles. So let's build them. 7 millimeters. You can just copy or build another one, whatever you want, like this. So now we can copy this one. Done. So now using trim tool we will delete these extra lines. You can delete these ones also. We can put center mark. Done. After that we will build this line. So how will we will build it? So using temporary track point again, from this point we will go left. From this point we will go left, which is 13 millimeters. No, I did a mistake, sorry. Let's build line with 13 millimeters, and then we need to go up as much as we want. So we can increase this one also, and then from center of this circle, this curved line, from this point we can build big circle. Oh, sorry, I think we did a mistake. Yeah, circle. From this point. Done. And then we can select trim tool to delete this part, all unnecessary lines, and then using fillet tool with radius 3 you can just select like this and delete. After that we can select this unnecessary line also and delete. So as we mentioned, we already finished how to draw this like key. You can select our key and using move tool you can move like this, and then we can compare these two keys. I think they are similar, so another thing is decorate this one. So putting dimensions and sizes is an assignment for you. Thank you for your attention.